Aren't these sweet? I made these for the market next weekend, and this is just a sampling of what you can do after you take my Mosaics course. So you can take one of my patterns and adjust it to make little ornaments. Start with a piece of denim or another thick fabric like canvas. Cut it approximately 4 inches square. I did mine in a 4-inch strip, as you can see in the photo, because I was making more than one. Add a 3.5-inch square piece of steam-a-seam to the center, press it, and then peel off the top layer of the steam-a-seam to reveal the adhesive. Add the rectangles of fabric to create a seam of your choice. If you want to make one similar to mine, I made the top half, or a little less, the sky, added a strip of trees, and then I added the ice last. Press. Stitch the background from the top down, starting with the sky. Here you can see I'm stitching the sky with a wavy line and just going back and forth and trying to catch all the rectangles. Then I move on to the tree line. Stitch the ice using the same wavy free motion quilting stitch to catch all of the rectangles for the ice. I use the templates from my Ice Fishing Shacks pattern. You can do the same or create your own design. These templates were drawn onto the steam-a-seam too and then adhered to the desired fabrics. Following the manufacturer's instructions, I added these shapes to the ornament and free motion stitched around them using black thread. I also added the skis for the snowmobile. You could use a friction pen to draw them on before you stitch them to give you a guide. The last step is to add a backing for your ornament. I used a red fabric, but you could use any color that coordinates with your ornament. Tack it to the back of your ornament using a small scrap of steam-a-seam in the center, or you could use a glue stick. Use pinking shears to trim around the outside. Then add a 5-inch piece of yarn doubled to the center of the top of the ornament, placing it between the two layers. Sew a pretty yarn or cording around the design to add a finishing touch by zigzagging it on. You could also use one of those decorative stitches on your sewing machine if you like. Voila! You are finished. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Have a happy holiday. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. You can find a link to my online course in the description, as well as all my social media information. Thanks!